Hi, this is Tapsi,
Hi, this is Bhumi.
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Hangama.
Tapsi and Bhumi, we've taken a few mean tweets from your
From
fans.
our
I have a feeling
lovers.
a lot of them are going to be
From our lovers. Yes. tell me
Okay,
the
so we'll
main
start
tweet.
with Tapsi. She's the one
of
who.
course.
This one is from Mr. Prem.
नाम ही ऐसा है तो मतलब
मैं यही कहने वाली थी, मैंने कहा प्रेम भावना क्यों नहीं है इनमें?
मूवी ट्रेलर फैंटास्टिक है तापसी मैम, बट अक्षय कुमार जरूर मरवाएगा आपको हाउसफुल 4 से, बाप ऑफ एक्शन, बाप ऑफ कॉमेडी.
But we agree he
guys-
is Bap of action.
Yeah.
and
You
Bap of
guys are coming
comedy.
with Houseful 4.
But we
and
all-
he's an inspiration for all of us. I mean,
Yeah.
both of us really look up to him.
Yeah.
And we are not at all in a zone to compete or anything that we are saying कि भाई हम हाउसफुल
And
से मतलब आगे
we are
पहुंच जाएंगे.
supporters, yeah, and I think it's vice versa. It's a very nice, happy family that we all are.
Because he was the first one to actually video call
Yeah.
us after he saw the trailer, and
Yeah.
so sweet of him to do that, and he really appreciated.
And even till now, he's looking forward to the film, and we are looking forward to Houseful, yeah.
Even he says there are only limited number of weeks
Days.
that we have. The idea is either you come with a big film or get sandwiched between two big films.
We'll come to Bhumi now. This is Vikesh Karmacharya. Hope your makeovers don't distract from watching movies. Your makeover for old looks so CGI than real, and voice sounds still young. Not having good feeling about this, like as Saho. Performances look promising, but as I said, because of tacky makeover, I got mixed feelings.
साहो हिट थी ना बहुत बड़ी.
हाँ.
आपकी फीलिंग्स नहीं वर्क करी भाई साहब. बात नहीं.
नहीं, but साहो के
But
अंदर
the
क्या
point is कि
CGI?
पता नहीं. But the point is कि यार ठीक है, आप एक ऑडियंस है, आपको एक certain way लगता होगा, but we know that the film is a lot above and a lot bigger than the way we are looking or what we are doing. हमने बहुत मेहनत की है. जो आपको टैकी लग रहा होगा, एक इमोशन है फिल्म से जो जुड़ा हुआ है, और जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे मैं गारंटी के साथ कह सकती हूँ that you will tweet to me again saying that what I tweeted earlier for Bhumi and Tapsi was incorrect. Santi
So
is
this debate which is there that older actresses should have played because it is about older actors. Even Neena Gupta ji, I think she has said something as well. So how much do you guys?
Yeah, I feel that we respect everyone's opinion, but it's not something that we need to agree with, because I truly feel that it's a director's prerogative. It is his film, it is his choice who he wants to cast and how he sees his films. I think it's been happening for years now. Nobody has questioned the process. There have been times where, like, till date, there are like superstars and like amazing actors that we love and we look up to and we wait for their films that are playing characters that are less than double their age. No, nobody's ever questioned. And you know, another thing, like most of your acting stalwarts have taken up a role where they've challenged themselves, and I think this is the most you can challenge yourself. आप किसी को भी ले लो, you look at Marlon Brando and Godfather. It's only after you take that ballsy step, you know, and where you challenge yourself as an actor कि आप कैसे वरना बाउंड्रीज पुश करोगे यार. मतलब आई थिंक इट्स वेरी अनफेयर, एंड एज एक्टर्स वी शुड बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग वी वांट. दैट्स द आइडिया बिहाइंड इट.
I think the
I
definition
think
of
both-
acting is that.
Yeah.
Transform into
Right.
someone else.
And both you guys, I think you started with a role which I think many people would think many times over.
Yeah.
With a-
And I think everything
Why
that
did
both
they
of us
not
have
take
done.
a girl of that weight at that
Correct.
point?
Or
And
even
same
what
with
I'm
her, same
doing
with
in
her, the
Bala
sort of
or
thing that
anything
she-
that both of us have done, these are not conventional films, yeah. Like then we'll be sitting home.
Now it is time for Tapsi. This is Gurcharan Singh.
हाँ जी.
जितना मर्जी बोलो,
हाँ.
जाएंगे तो सिर्फ हाउसफुल 4 को देखने.
जाओ.
अगर अच्छा लगा तो साथ जरूर चलना.
क्यों हम अब ऐसे ही जाएंगे? अच्छा लगा मतलब क्या?
ब्लॉक
आप
मत
जाओ,
कर देना.
फिर हमारे पास भी आ जाना.
फाइनल लाइन है, ब्लॉक मत कर देना यार अब.
ब्लॉक नहीं करा मैंने इनको. I think it was just to get my attention, I guess, with the way he has ended that tweet. But हाँ, please जाओ हाउसफुल देखने यार. What's wrong in that? दिवाली की छुट्टी है, बहुत लंबा वीकेंड है.
फिर हम
I think जो आपको ट्रेलर जिसका अच्छा लग रहा है,
हाँ,
प्लीज
वहाँ
जाके
जाना.
देखो.
और मुझे लगता है people are going to watch more than one film.
Because it's a long weekend.
It's a long weekend. This is Taplish Dangaich.
Wow.
Very nice.
Taple, I'm waiting for your question.
मेरे कॉलोनी के बाहर भी खूब कचरा जमा है.
अच्छा. ओहो, मुझे पता
वहाँ
है. मैं
आके भी
climate
फोटो
warrior.
खिंचवा जाओ जरा.
अच्छा.
आपकी अगली फिल्म का प्रमोशन भी हो जाएगा और हमारी कॉलोनी भी फेमस हो जाएगी।
तो
ये
प्लीज
basically this
जी
is
मैं
this
हाँ
picture
जो
that-
मैं क्लाइमेट वॉरियर शुरू किया, मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि आप एक गार्बेज क्लीन अप ड्राइव शुरू करिए अपने इलाके में, मैं पहुंच जाऊंगी अपने क्रू के साथ, मेरा तो काम ही है।
ये काम मीन ट्वीट है, तो बड़ी वेलकमिंग एंड इनवाइटिंग
हाँ, मुझे भी लगता है
कि प्लीज हमारे घर आओ, चाय
समाज
पानी
का
पी के
कचरा
जाओ।
हम साफ करेंगे हमारी फिल्मों से और हमारे
सोच से।
सोच से।
Now's the time for rapid fire.
अरे
You guys
ये
can-
ना जान लगा देंगे हम भूमि,
Come on.
जान लगा देंगे। ये
क्या है
स्पीकर तो
ये?
मिलना, स्पीकर है भाई,
स्पीकर
So she
ये-
already has one. She
Ready.
needs the
जान
second
लगा
one.
देंगे। मैं
Come
दुकान
on.
खोलूंगी इसकी, तुम रुको।
कम ऑन
We'll start
दिलो
with
जान से, कम
Come
ऑन,
on.
वी कैन डू इट। कॉफी पी ले तू।
we'll start with Bhumi.
हाँ नहीं नहीं नहीं
Okay.
अच्छा ओके
अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर यार, तू चालू
अच्छा
कर।
ओके
So rapid fire with Bhumi Pednekar. Name the actor or actress who, according to you, can suit the best in following genres: comedy,
जूही चावला,
action,
प्रियंका चोपड़ा,
romance,
नरगिस जी। या
suspense,
very nice.
suspense thriller,
वेरी नाइस।
तापसी पन्नू,
horror.
हॉरर भूमि because I'm doing one.
If your life was a movie, which one would it be?
Life is beautiful.
If you were to live one day with any epic character in Bollywood films, who would that be?
Any of the Rahuls.
Any of the Rahuls? With Shah Rukh Khan and all that? Okay. One question that many people ask you, but you still don't have an answer to.
कि आपने इतनी जल्दी
क्या आपको अंग्रेजी आती है?
द गुड वन, क्या आपको अंग्रेजी आती है?
Okay. Who do you think is the sexiest man in Bollywood?
अक्षय कुमार.
One thing your mom told you not to do, but you still do it.
Leave the geyser on.
ये सबकी प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
की प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे वापस घर बुलाया जाता है, अब करो.
One thing men should know about women, but they don't.
That we have desires.
I love this. भूमि,
Yeah.
come on.
This competition, Tapsi ji.
अरे नहीं, let give it to her.
Okay. What rumor you'd like to start about Tapsi Pannu?
कोई रह गया है? तू बता, कोई रह गया तो बता दे। तू कह मैं that she is acting opposite Robert Downey Jr.
That she's acting opposite Robert Downey.
Bhumi ji, you can do better.
What rumor can I start about Taapsee Pannu that
getting married to-
she's actually not Punjabi, she is British.
Then I get
And getting married to-
He's already married. Or Sam Claflin. No.
Whoever she wants to get
Yeah.
married to.
Okay. If you were a superhero, what would be your superhero name?
BP.
BP.
Bhumi's Paradise. It sounds
Yes.
like
ये तेरे घर का नाम है क्या? Bhumi's Paradise. ये क्या बात हुई? BP.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Have you ever made a fake account on social media?
no.
इससे नॉर्मल सब वाला संभल जाए, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है। Fake account.
Have you ever mistakenly entered into a men's restaurant?
Yeah. जानबूझ के also.
Acha.
Yeah, because girls take a lot of time, yeah. Like when you
Oh,
go
yeah.
to like clubs and nightclubs and all, it's never ending the line.
Have you ever had a fight with your co-star?
No.
Have you ever written someone love poem?
Yeah. yeah.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
I believe in attraction at first sight.
Have you ever beaten a guy or guys for real?
Yes, I've slapped a boy very hard.
Okay, true or false?
Now, in what
very-
context?
Oh, okay. I am not saying.
But she's doing really well. She's doing
I'm
very well.
telling you, देना इसको speaker.
Today, casting couch doesn't exist in Bollywood.
False.
I'm nervous about the fact that my film is clashing with Houseful 4.
True.
If you want to maintain good relations in Bollywood, you need to lie many a times.
False.
Bollywood can never be a women-dominated industry.
False.
Award shows in India have lost credibility.
True.
I think she has done fabulously well. It's
अरे
time for
यार,
rapid fire.
स्पीकर
with
लगाओ
Taapsee
और
Pannu.
इसमें ब्लूटूथ से कनेक्ट कर
नहीं,
तू
but-
और गाना लगा,
but-
पीछे का नाच लेते हैं
But
यहाँ पे।
देखिए, you are very competitive. So let's have that. You know,
हाँ,
it will
हाँ,
be
ये देखो ये जो आ रहा है ना मसाला बनाने के तरीके बार बार बोला जा रहा है, लेकिन तापसी को शुरू होने दो. तापसी वो एक competitive. फायदा सब समझ रहे हैं.
इस बारी ना
ठीक है,
हम लाइन के
हम
ऑपोजिट
जानते
साइड
हैं.
नहीं है, हम लाइन के एक साइड पे हैं, ठीक है, तो वो ऐसी वाली जो तीली लगा रहे हो वो काम नहीं करेगी। जो भी जीतेगा इस पे हम अपना ही गाना लगा के
तापसी जी,
नाचेंगे।
बिल्कुल 100% हम भी नाचेंगे साथ में। रैपिड फायर विद तापसी। पन्नू,
हाँ जी प्लीज।
if Taapsee Pannu was a brand, what would it be its tagline?
ये क्या है?
Firebrand.
नो बकवास,
Okay, if you
ओनली खास।
it's nice actually.
It's quite nice.
If you were to date any married man from Bollywood, who would it be?
आई विल नेवर डेट अ मैरिड मैन।
What's the meanest thing that you have read about yourself?
वो अरे
क्या, कौन सा
तुम
वाला
एक काम
बोल रही
करो, कल तक बैठते हैं यहाँ पे क्योंकि बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है उसकी।
Anything that offhand that comes to your mind, you know,
कि
interesting.
तुम्हें हीरोइन किसने बनाया, शक्ल देखी अपनी आईने में,
अच्छा,
हाँ लाइक दैट।
ये तो कॉमन चीज
Yeah.
है, ये तो मतलब लोगों का फेवरेट पास टाइम है बोलना। मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आता है। और पता है क्या होता है, when these people say ना, मैं ऐसे इक्का दुक्का बोलती चलो देखते हैं है कौन।
उनकी
मतलब
photos देख।
मुझे लगता है कि भाई साहब आप किस मुंह से आप हम पे कमेंट कर रहे हैं। और कई बार तो there's zero post like some random like I don't know how does all
yeah,
this
but
happen.
okay, no, that's like many times like fake trolling and like I think manufactured trolling as well. That
Yeah,
tends
lot
to
of
happen. On an average, Taapsee ji, how many people do you block on Twitter per month?
आई थिंक ऑन एन एवरेज अब कम हो गया है, पहले बहुत ज्यादा था क्योंकि
जी।
टॉलरेंस लेवल जो था वो थोड़ा कम था पहले,
हाँ।
अब काफी बढ़ गया है। तो अभी मतलब ऑन एन एवरेज 4-5 होंगे इन अ मंथ।
What's the easiest way to piss you off?
Inefficiency, that's the only way you can piss me
I
off.
second that.
If you can't sleep in the middle of the night, what would you do?
That's very difficult actually. It only takes me between 5 to 10 minutes to fall off to sleep. And
Mashallah.
nothing, and you dare not wake me up in middle of the night. I don't think
And 8 hours of sleep
8
required.
hours of sleep कोई मतलब हिम्मत ही ना करे।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है? What's the weirdest place a fan has approached you?
A fan has approached me in the toilet. I was outside, I was just entering the loo in urgency. And photo दे दो, मैं अभी कदी मैंने तो
Right, makes sense. Makes
फोटो के
sense.
साथ बहुत कुछ मिल जाएगा।
Content वहां से आ रहा है आपके भी rapid fire
अरे
में।
ऐसे ही होता है भाई, अब लाइन के एक ही साइड है।
Okay, what's the most rebellious thing you ever did as a teenager?
I jumped off the balcony because they did not let me. My parents had locked me up in the at home, and I had to go to play. So I jumped from a balcony.
You know she's crashed a wedding
Yeah, I have crashed a
to
wedding.
promote a film. I said I want to touch your feet.
Okay,
Like I'm
for
learning.
promoting a film or just having a good dinner or something like that?
है नहीं गुड डिनर वाली क्रैशिंग नहीं करी मैंने।
Picture promote करने
हाँ
के लिए।
पिक्चर प्रमो गाना लॉन्च करना था मुझे पिक्चर का।
Superb.
तो मैंने
Who's-
कहा मैं शादी में कर देती हूँ किसी।
Taapsee ji, who's your secret woman crush apart from Bhumi?
He's been
Just
very
lost
safe.
interest. Just lost interest in the game.
I'll tell you. पता नहीं बोरिंग लगे आपको, शायद आंसर सेरेना विलियम्स।
The most useless talent you have?
यूजलेस टैलेंट बातें करने का। I can talk a lot and lot of trash.
What rumor you like to start about Bhumi Pednekar?
That she's acting in a SLB directorial next.
Wow.
What's the funniest thing you have done to grab attention?
I don't have to do much. I'm a Leo.
Haan. They're used to attention.
What to
Okay.
do?
Have you ever wanted to slap your co-star in front of the whole team?
Not in front of the whole team.
Have you ever checked the profile of a person who trolled you on social media?
Yeah.
Would you ever date your die-hard fan?
Yeah, why not?
Have you been ever proposed by a girl?
Hit on, but not proposed.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes.
Did any director ever flirt with you?
No director.
Do you read reviews of your films?
Yes.
I was disappointed to see Game Over's box office collection in Hindi version.
No, actually, I was pleasantly surprised for a dubbed film to collect like that. It collected at par with Tamil and Telugu, which was very surprising for me.
If you have a superstar in your film, even an average story can give you a super hit.
Yeah.
South industry has more professionalism than Bollywood.
No.
I'd prefer 300 crore film rather than national award
True.
winning film.
True.
So I think that was fabulous, but it's very difficult to decide as
No,
to.
give it to her now.
But I think Bhumi was.
Yeah, she's giving my answers
has
also pretty cool, so
I
yeah.
think that was pretty. So Taapsee ji, if you can please hand
I'll
it
do.
over.
देख तू
तापसी जी,
अभी तू
please.
अभी तू स्पीच दे पहले मेरे को
मैं-
रेडी है स्पीच के लिए
Or just so anybody who knows me knows that this is my vibe when I'm talking. मैं माता तापसी को और मेरे सारे भक्तों का बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहूंगी, फारिदून बेटा आपका भी, क्योंकि
जी,
अब हम
Sacred
दादी
Games
है,
3 हो रहा है तो।
मैं चंद्रो दादी हूँ। और बस यही
भूमि
कहना
के set पे
चाहूंगी
सारे बेटे हो गए
कि-
थे,
हाँ मैं
Set पे
सबको
all
बेटा
age groups were
करूंगी।
beta after a point. She was referring everyone to as beta. She
सब
was too
बेटा।
much into the character.
Right, method acting and all
कि
that.
तन बुढ़ा होता है, मन बुढ़ा नहीं होता।
हिम्मत
इंसान
करे
की आंख
इंसान।
25 अक्टूबर, हिम्मत करे इंसान, साहित्य करे भगवान, मुंह में राम हाथ में काम। और क्या था दादी, और क्या था?
We have a 5-second challenge.
ओके
5 seconds.
5-second challenge.
जब तक
बजर बजाना है बजर.
He'll be doing a stopwatch. Okay, and 5 सेकंड में आपको जवाब देना है।
मैं तो
आवाज
हार
निकालनी
गई
कोई।
हूँ।
नहीं आवाज नहीं निकालनी है। हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, हम लोग हम एक टेस्ट कर लेते हैं क्विकली, दैट मींस तो आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा किस तरीके से करना है।
हाँ।
तो मैं एक पहले टेस्ट के लिए आपके साथ करता हूँ, एक मैं तापसी के साथ करता हूँ, तो आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाता है, ठीक है। सो 5 सेकंड चैलेंज विद भूमि एंड तापसी। नेम 3 बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स हु हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ हॉरर फिल्म। टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ।
विकी कौशल, बिपाशा बासु, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी। प्लीज दैट हैज टू बी अ पॉइंट, हाँ, क्योंकि इतना फास्ट आंसर में वापस नहीं होने वाला है।
होएगा। इट्स टाइम फॉर तापसी। नेम 300 करोड़ फिल्म्स इन बॉलीवुड।
वॉर होने वाली है ये बोल दूं पहले मैं। और पीके नहीं आती यार मुझे।
ठीक है, सुल्तान बजरंगी भाईजान।
धूम भी थी ना?
धूम 3
थ्री थी।
around 270 or something.
अरे यार चलो, ये पॉइंट नहीं था ना वैसे भी।
Now it's starting officially. First one is for Bhumi. 3 titles for your own biopic.
लेजेंडरी भूमि पेडनेकर, द लेजेंड ऑफ भूमि पेडनेकर, भूमि पेडनेकर इज लेजेंडरी। अरे तो टाइटल
It's
है।
okay, we settle for that.
क्यों?
It's okay,
मैं
we'll
लंबी
settle
भी
for
तो हो
that. ठीक
सकता
है, It's okay. It's okay.
द लेजेंड ऑफ भगत सिंह जैसे थे।
Tapsi, now is your turn.
ओ मम्मी हाँ बोलो।
And war जब तक नहीं हुई है तो हम उसको काउंट नहीं
नहीं
करेंगे।
नहीं मैं तो करूंगी
Name
काउंट।
any 3 actors who played lead in biopics in Bollywood.
फरहान अख्तर, दिलजीत दोसांझ एंड हम।
यस
1 all. Bhumi, name any 3 TV shows you grew up watching.
I grew up watching Friends, Houseful, and Seinfeld.
So 2-1.
मेरा पता है क्या था अगर होता तो मैं sorry, ये है वोग एंड ग्रेशोबा। मेरा आता सारा भाई वर्सेस सारा भाई, खिचड़ी और तारा।
हम पांच या हम पांच।
Superb. Name 3 things that should always be in your fridge.
चीज, अंडा और ब्रेड।
Perfect.
2 all. So we come to Bhumi now. 3 objects that you can't get out of your house without.
Phone, data cable, lip balm.
डेटा
Alright.
केबल कहाँ लगाएगी?
चार्जर में,
वो कहाँ है बट?
गाड़ी में। ये क्या बात हुई?
3-2. Name any 3 sense organs.
Ears, eyes, nose.
3 all. Name 3 Bollywood celebrities whose name starts with A.
आमिर खान, आयुष्मान खुराना, अक्षय कुमार। अरे ऐसे ओके।
4-3.
लास्ट दो नहीं आते ना तो तुम
Name 3 characteristics that your boyfriend should have.
सेल्फ मेड, ऑनेस्ट एंड लॉयल।
4 all. Name any 3 movies that made you cry.
सांड की आँख, दम लगा के आयशा, and
टॉयलेट टॉयलेट
5-4.
टॉयलेट।
Tapsi, name any 3 SRK Kajol films.
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे एंड कभी खुशी कभी गम।
5 all. Bhumi, name any 3 Bollywood films that have sequels.
हाउसफुल, गोलमाल, जॉनी एलएलबी।
It's in time. 6-5. Tapsi, last 3 movies that you watched.
मिशन मंगल, गेम ओवर, बदला।
That's
तो देखा था लास्ट 3 मूवीज आई सॉ।
okay. 3 Hindi songs on your playlist right now.
साकी साकी, it's not. I've lost it. पागल अपनी तो बोल देती है, मैंने क्यों साकी
Okay,
साकी
so that's
बोला?
time out.
But even if I've lost, can I just name the songs?
You can.
हार गई हूँ। बुमनिया, उड़ता तीतर, and our new song आसमा, which is
बस।
already
पूरे
out.
टाइम पिक्चर प्रमोट हो रही है।
उफ बहुत स्ट्रेस हो रखा है मुझे।
तापसी,
हाँ
first letter of 3 most used galis by you.
आई डोंट यूज गालीज। मतलब चलो अगर करनी भी हो तो ए के आई डोंट एंड अप अब्यूजिंग।
So it's like 6 all.
जिएंगे साथ में, मरेंगे हम साथ में।
3 Salman Khan films where he does not fight.
Oh no, हम साथ साथ हैं। हम आपके हैं कौन?
टाइम आउट. हम
ये तो
साथ साथ
नहीं
हैं, हम
आता
आपके हैं
मुझे।
कौन, बीवी नंबर 1, खामोशी, द म्यूजिकल,
वो
कुछ कुछ
बहुत
होता है,
है
हम दिल दे
actually.
चुके सनम,
हम
ट्यूबलाइट.
दिल दे चुके सनम.
3 weirdest nicknames you have heard of.
मैगी, पप्पू और टिन्नी.
And she is one.
Yeah.
What a close fight.
मैगी मेरे को भी बोलता है पप्पू पप्पू, इतना पप्पू क्या होता है भाई?
Bhumi will give it to you.
Yes.
तापसी आपकी स्पीच?
हाँ.
ये लो. Please.
I will only thank myself.
देखो.
Thank you.
Legend of
I
Taapsee.
deserve this.
लेजेंड
का
ऑफ तापसी
legend.
एक्चुअली वहाँ होना चाहिए.
Legend.
आपको क्या करना पड़ता है अटेंशन के लिए, मुझे जरूरत नहीं पड़ती.
I just have to be.
Only on that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you guys.
Thank
I'm
you.
really looking forward to the
Thank you.
film.
Thank
And after
you.
meeting all you 4 together, I think it seemed like a cracker of a film. So looking forward
It
to that.
is.
And thank you for all the entertainment. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Tapsi,
Hi, this is Bhumi.
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.